Hey y'all, what's up? I am back using another Ecoslay product. This is their Orange Marmalade Gel with flaxseed and aloe. This is a very creamy consistency and it also smells like oranges. This information on the screen is taken directly from their website. They recommend that you refrigerate this product to preserve the shelf life. I bought the 4-ounce jar from their website for $10. They also have an 8-ounce and a 16-ounce jar. I have used this product before, however, this is my first time filming it. So it's recommended that you apply this product to soaking wet hair. It also has a strong hold, which I love. And it looks like I may have went overboard and used a little bit too much, but that's okay because I do like a strong hold.
Seeing monsters at your window. No, you can't sleep, you pretend though. You don't have to play the hero. Cause I got you like you got me. When the earth shakes, when the bombs scream, until our last breath, every heartbeat.
Alright y'all, so my hair is now dry, and as you see, I got curl definition, I got shine, and also I got a firm hold. Let me know if you've used this product or any products from the line. Thank you all so much for watching.